In the drop-down left menu of the interface, you can select the folder Drafts, which contains the assets generated by a user but not yet shared in the main catalog. For example, an asset whose metadata are not yet complete is shown in the draft folder. A blue draft label shown in the upper left corner of the media identifies this condition. To update the asset, click on the Options menu and choose the Edit command. Fill in the necessary fields, especially the ones classified as mandatory and marked with a red star. Then, in the General tab, it will be possible to change the status from draft to published. To memorize this change, click on the green Save button and choose Publish. Once the change has been saved, the asset will no longer be present in the draft folder. It'll be available in the main catalog and therefore shared and usable by other entitled users.